strength, our strength.
Honorable Prime Minister Sir, an earnest reiteration for an acceptable and honorable solution to the Indo-Naga political issue in the true spirit of the historic Indo-Naga Framework Agreement of 3rd August 2015 at New Delhi.
Based on the principle of coexistence and shared sovereignty, the framework agreement was officially signed on the 3rd August 2015. The Government of India, through the framework agreement, recognized the sovereignty of the Nagas. It says inclusive, peaceful coexistence of the two entities sharing sovereign power.
Time has come for the Nagas to give out our voice again. Since it has been a very long time that we're waiting for the solution to come. And still today we don't see any sign of relief or any sign of coming such solution. So at this very point of time, when there is conflict and turmoil in the state, cookies are demanding in their own way. Also, meters are also demanding in their own way. Nagas have an issue from long time back. So we need to voice, we need to give our voice also. We want to solve, we want solution. We want early solution. So we thought that it is the right time to give our voice also to the government of India. We plan to organize at least for 10,000. But I think today it will be more than 10,000. And likewise to all other districts. It is huge. As per information given to us, Chandal district, Tamilong district, and Ukrul district, there were more than they expected. Well, because, see, the sentiments, the curiosity, and the spirit of the people is seen to this rally. So all have come out to voice out. We will be also submitting our memorandum, and it is to reiterate what we demand, what we have given before. Since many times back, many times we have submitted our memorandum also. And today also we'll be reminding them to bring early solution to the Indo-Naga political issue. And we want to give a big message to all the Nagas to have patience. And to be united. Yeah, this will be our big message to everyone. Naga should be one, Naga should be united. Comes what may, we will stand our ground. And we want government of India to bring early political solutions.
The four hill districts of Manipur, and in this district, particularly this Senapati, it is the NPO, Naga People's Organization, Senapati District Women Association, Senapati District Students Association. We work together, we collaborate, and this rally is being organized in the four hill districts of Manipur. Of course, you all have seen there are tens of thousands of people coming, turning up for this program, for this rally. We are getting information that in all the other three districts, namely Chandal, Ukrul, Tamenglong, equal numbers of people turns up for this event. And so people are restive. They want the government of India to listen to their sentiments. That is our desire for solution. 26 years of ceasefire, 1997 now, and we thought when framework agreement was signed, we thought it was a very significant progress in the negotiation. However, it's been 8 years now, and we are yet to see any solution. We want Government of India to demonstrate its sincerity. All this while they cannot take the Nagas for granted forever. And so this is what the public, the people here in the south, the state of Manipur, come to this rally to register our sentiments.
Are the representation has been submitting to the government of Nagaland after this rally, or when it's supposed to be, submitted a memorandum this time?
Yes, our memorandum will be submitted to the Prime Minister of India through the Deputy Commissioner of its district, Senapati Ukhrul Tamenglong Chandil. So that was the same memorandum. Of course, we share the same sentiments from other districts also. So that memorandum will be submitted in good time after this rally, after this program, by the leaders concerned. We live quite close to each other, neighbors. And some village are interpers. I mean, the Kuki and this one area, Nagas, Meteis, they live together. Definitely when these two neighbors fought, there are stray incidents of people getting injured, their house dismantled, their property destroyed. Those things are some of the impacts. And of course, mistaken identity. Both the Kukis and Meteis, they sometimes committed excess on the Naga people. This in the crossfire, people were caught in some villages. But for others, when we traverse this territory, this small state, there are bunkers and people, you will be frisked, which is not a pleasant thing for us as Nagas to face all those. Your identity is checked for no fault of yours. So these things are happening. One lady was killed. That is the human casualty from the Nagas. So we make efforts to reach out to those perpetrators also to come clean. I mean, and not to resort to that kind of acts in the future. Of course, we are definitely impacted. Of course, when your movement is restricted, everything will be impacted. Your business, your education, and then so many areas, our livelihood is impacted.
It is very difficult to say. It has been quite long. So we have been waiting for long, and that's why we are having this rally today to impress upon the government of India that are concerned for the delaying of the talk. We cannot say, but we still hope that the government of India will take sincere decision.
Do we expect the early solution to be, to be acted upon by the government of India?
We expect all the time, but this time also we are waiting, and then we hope this great rally expressing our mind in all the Naga inhabited areas in Manipur, we hope the government of India will take very seriously once again.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.